Defying the impossible, fit for purpose, robust, ready to run, durable. Meet crushers that have a character, crushers that have relentless focus to crush better, because this is what they were designed to be. PICSON Construction Equipments Private Limited is a leading global engineering and manufacturing unit engaged in supplying cutting-edge crushing and screening equipment for applications in mining, quarrying and infrastructure projects, construction and demolition, and waste recycling. Situated in Vadodara, Gujarat, PICSON Construction is part of the PICS Group of companies. Established in 1987, PICS Group of companies had the first joint industrial cooperative venture in the state of Gujarat, known as the Parishram Industrial Cooperative Society Limited. PICSON Construction, with its reputed brand PICS International, has a world-class manufacturing facility with wide assortment of advanced machines and equipment, enabling it to serve customers' needs in the most efficient manner. To ensure that each machine component is traceable, production management techniques are followed at each stage of manufacturing. A strong quality policy is in place, right from testing of raw materials to inspection, at each stage from fabrication to paint shop. Intensive testing of each final product guarantees machining precision and excellent quality.
Our company has completed 30 years in this line, and we are believing in quality. We are following ISO standard and international standard of quality. That's why we have got chances from various foreign countries like African countries, Nepal, Bhutan, etc.
PICS International supplies a complete line of equipment for aggregates and minerals processing. Right from feeders of different design, jaw crushers for primary and secondary applications, cone crushers with multiple configurations to get product with polyhedric shape, to most advanced screening solutions. As a prime OEM for crushing and recycling equipment, PICS International also manufactures impact crushers like vertical shaft impactor and horizontal shaft impactor for aggregate and mineral shaping. PICS has a wide range of equipment for processing manufactured sand, widely known as M-sand, along with sand washing and recovery solutions, from conventional bucket classifier to advanced hydrocyclone, which can recover finest of sands after washing. To bring the most powerful rock crushers and screeners to the most difficult of jobs, PICS has developed revolutionary machines with the highest levels of agility and mobility. Designed for rapid installation, both its wheeled mobile and semi-mobile skid-mounted crushing and screening plant easily integrate with the rest of its product range.
All the equipments are manufactured in compliance with design and best engineering practices.
We have an experienced team of qualified engineers, designers and quality analysts who make sure that products are designed to international quality standard.
PICS International has emerged as a trusted turnkey solution provider, not only due to its offering of highly productive yet cost-efficient machines, but also due to strong after-sales support. A strong dealership network in India helps us to deliver spares in time, and we are having a modernized, fully equipped service center in Kerala, which is first of its kind in India, makes PICS International a perfect choice among customers in India and abroad.
An in-house research and development is the key to innovate products as per latest technological advancement, as well as complex customer requirements like operation in extreme climatic conditions. As a responsible construction machinery OEM, PICS has developed solutions to handle the construction and demolition and asphalt waste in a sustainable manner. A complete range of stationary, wheel-mounted recycling units and extremely flexible mobile recyclers crush the debris to required size for reuse so its customers are able to achieve their sustainability goals.
Sustainable handling of construction and demolishing waste is the major concern in today's world. PICSON construction equipment has put a small significant step towards the solution for recycling waste from construction projects. We have also participated in global sustainability events to help our clients to conserve 40% of the natural resources by adopting recycling.
Perfect engineering, unblemished design, and high strength and solidity. PICS machines are highly reliable and productive machines. Working with a partner who is committed to deliver cost-efficient solutions can help you perform aggregate processing jobs to the highest standards. Maximize productivity and make a real and sustainable difference to your business with PICS International. PICS International. We engineer, we manufacture, we deliver worldwide.